Hey, Christian here, manager of Apollo Screen and Shade in San Diego. We just wrapped up this install out in Solana Beach, and honestly, it came out beautiful. What you're seeing here is the Athena, our motorized large door screen. One button and the entire opening is covered, wall to wall. No center bar, no gap, no fuss. And when you retract it, it vanishes completely. You would never know it was there. This is the kind of wide open doorway that most screen companies look at and say, they can't help you. Apollo can, because we measure it, we build it, and our own crew installs it. We've been doing this for over 20 years and thousands of installs. That experience shows up in every single job. If you've got a large doorway and you want it handled the right way, come visit us at our showroom at 2121 Enterprise Saint in Escondido. Give us a call at 858-544-5259 or head to our website to learn more about our large door screens. Come see why thousands of San Diego homeowners trust Apollo for their screen and shade needs.